Yes, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks, like burn it down to the ground. Yes, this movie D really need no enough introduction. But if it's the first time watching this channel, please do subscribe. But pay attention. Hope this is entertaining. So let's go. But leave a comment. And this is a serious movie to me personally because I love the teachers them of Jamaica. Because if I never have a teacher, I know still because I them teach me from school to school. I mean, I always have some favorite teacher. Long list of them who love me and I love them just the same. Miss Williams and anymore. Bless up on yourself in the world. Bless up Miss Brown, Polypa teacher. The long list. You know what I mean? From all the school I've been through. I've been through a lot of schools. From Montego Bay School like Irwin Hill to Granville All-Age to Nigel All-Age to Belied, that a Grange Hill High School said we saw. I've been to some different school. Local London primary, I went there one day and lost my lunch money, so I was walking back home. So enough of the long story. Let's watch this movie together. See what you see. Let's go.
Before God and all mankind, we've been standing up for justice, and that's what we're doing now. We have one of us doing it in peace. We have been working diligently and creatively, thinking generously and honestly, and now we hope that those who are superior will allow us to increase. What do we want? Live on the salary. Now. What do we want? Live on the salary. Now. What do we want? Live on the salary. Now. What do we want? Live on the salary. Now.
Okay then. I'm curious and I am here for the world. Yeah. Woo. Show them.
Stand up for your right.
Alright then.
We all have to fight.
You hear that?
Stand up for your right. The youth them deserve a better life.
Show them, yo.
Work and can't buy food, that's slavery. But that's the system bubble and create for we. Them say dog now we suffer if we disagree. Cause that them run the thing and we got nobody.
Alright.
Divide us just to rule. But no longer will we play the fool.
Yeah.
They kill the innocent and give them tool. Burn bubble and the fire can't cool. Stand up for your right. We all have to fight. Stand up for your right. They do them deserve a better life. Stand up for your right.
Show them.
We all have to fight.
Alright.
Stand up for your right. They do them deserve a better
I was
life.
under bandage. Me nah yam them sandwich. I was under bandage. And separate us with them language. Hey, suffering the people, long time. Treating the people just like swine. Selassie I charge them for humankind. Them corrupt from the days of Constantine.
Stand up for your right. We all have to fight. Stand up for your right. The youth them deserve a better
Alright
life.
then.
Stand up for your right.
You hear?
We all have to fight. Stand up for your right. The youth them deserve a better life. Put in some work for the future. And the only way we help them my youth, yeah. Listen Rasta, I tell you not the truth, yeah. A bubble and down the youth them in a shooter. Only feed themselves, me see them scraping. Who did that sleep? No what time for the waking. Get sell out by who you put your faith in. You not see the system devastating.
I was under bandage. Me nah yam them sandwich. I was under bandage. And separate us with them language. Hey, suffering the people, long time. Treating the people just like swine. Selassie I charge them for humankind. Them corrupt from the days of Constantine.
And how long will we be under this bondage of Babylon? Too long. Alright then. Stand up for your right. We all have for your right. The youth them deserve a better life. Stand up for your right.
You hear?
We all have to fight. Stand up for your right. We all deserve a better life. Woo! Better place for the human race. Better place we want to see. We're not.
Who that? Come in.
Morning.
Morning.
You know. I just a run through just to come check you to see if you can deal with something for me today.
How about that?
You know, say, Leah forgot about something today.
What?
Leah
You want money?
No, man, no money more. Leah forgot Jamaica Day, right? And would I like you to carry her go Jamaica Day?
You can't do that. Where mother day?
Your mother forgot work.
Where me I forgot work too? Are you carry her?
I forgot catch fish.
But me have school. Me have school figure. Me have to teach me pit name because I go one day pit name mad out. And me I go mad out myself too. I have to go.
Me know say you don't really like Leah mother, you know, because
That's
you
right.
say Leah mother take me away from your mother. Well, picking enough involved in a big people affair, but differently from that though, me don't want you and Leah to spend some time because we're not sister, right? So me just think it was a good opportunity to go Jamaica Day, go celebrate and enjoy on
Me
yourself.
good. Me not going to Jamaica Day. Me good. Me better things. There's something like saying now. There's a coming there so.
Alright, anyway, I just that me can't check you about still, but anyway. I forget a piece of partner money, when I get it from when. So I would have borrow one for $5 from you. If come up. If me I go, me not on name Jamaica Day. So clothes. So me know say me have to go buy up some clothes and push out. You know why your papa go a place
See, I have one green shirt there.
no,
Weary.
that's we not talk about that. We want the real Jamaica Day clothes. Me see them and sell it down the road.
So
So
much?
me want one little Clarks. One yellow Clarks. But that beat like one yellow shirt and you want a yellow shirt. No, me don't want a yellow pants. I want normal pants.
Me can't afford it.
Me buy the kerchief for myself.
Me too, me can't. What
Calm
you could
down,
say me
calm
buy
down.
the kerchief then?
Calm
Me
down.
can't afford so much under there.
Calm down. Listen now.
I may have bill CP and
Listen. The thing are tomorrow, right? So, want to get the things in by today. That means tomorrow, fresh and early, me go and show it and go celebrate.
But I'm showing you a green shirt and the pants, yeah, the shorts you have on. You look like a Jamaica Day. You fit you.
Alright, anyway, that's why, you know, when few people them tell me for long time, say one picnic no picnic. I go check your brother. Your brother maybe have more money more than you. And me not send the boy at school, you know. Me not send the boy at school, the boy turn chopper. And the boy look like him do better. Cause if me check him for your thing right, watch out, me not have to buy no clock. Me check him and take one clock on him.
Then go on, man.
Because me assure you say, the picnic them boy you put your effort pan, and then disappoint you.
So you're trying to say me disappoint you?
You can't carry your sister go at the sitting there and you can't buy your pair of shoes.
Me have work. I have work to... That...
Yeah man. That's where you go. Check my son.
Go on.
Come to know why I spend so much money on you.
10 o'clock. It's a man.
As a daughter. And at the end of the day you can't help if I buy one shoes to go celebrate Jamaica Day with a sister. Yeah, move like a sister enemy and the baby a baby. Baby not even, oh, I don't know. And your mama you take off her, you know. Your mama you take off her. Your brother not even could get look her breast to suck. Back in the days where you greedy. And see, and you get the whole of my money. Whole of my money you get. So you go to college straight through. If you head hot you get children caffeinal. Anything you're hungry, you get me send burger, pizza come at college go and give you. As I say, hey, me there college do away. And that's how you repair your papa. You can't even do once. Yo, you're alright, you know. You're alright.
Yeah.
Me I go on the road. Me no mind come up for now. But me I please I beg you. Me no want nobody in my yard. Especially in my house. You hear me I say?
Yes, daddy.
I'll make sure you wash your dirty clothes and call me now and touch them.
No, you're not touching. Later, yeah, daddy.
So you just wait one come out so. Oh. Oh.
Later.
Yeah man, yeah.
Who that? Oh. Yeah, talk like. Bye. Oh, so nice.
Oh, so me always look nice.
Oh, cool on. You know what's nothing but what you do with what go on?
No. Over here at boring and I don't need to do something.
So father just left though. Father just left father. Oh, I'll show you something still. I'm glad you come over here and I'll show you something.
Where do we that? Where do we that?
Buy me buy, because we book one client. I get a whole heap of money off him. Some say, yo, I buy a little company.
Whole heap of money, how much money?
Why me have to do much money? I just have to say, get a certain amount of money.
Yeah. First thing you go buy a gun.
But you, I'm going to give you $100 if you sell.
You're the bunch, you're not afraid of father stay with you?
My father not see me this year.
Oh, you sure about that?
Yeah, hide them in dirty clothes, you know, check me dirty clothes. You know to clean house much less. You know to go to surgery place, you know, after, so you know how to find.
If you say so still, but be careful, that's all I have to tell you.
Yes, I'm going to say, you $100 if you say you can get the duty, I do it.
Okay.
Yeah, so far. I'm going to Jesus Christ. I'm so miss you. Just a second, I'm going to
In bed.
yeah, I'm going to tell you what I'm talking about.
Okay then.
Alright. Come father, so come back here, look back here. I'm going to come to the house.
That's how we bed like you have you see anybody. But I did for your band.
The baby enjoy that.
Wait a minute for the car.
Okay.
Hey, mommy. Oh, you know, say me have a sister Joy. She did invite me over to go to church with her and something. So they help her catch up her hair. Oh, me did go shop with you. Alright, here what? I go come over and me go shop for you, and then after I go shop and I come back, I go just go to church with her. Alright, me I come. You want me to walk out then?
Yeah, man, you want to go on the road too much. I mean, somebody on the road. Okay, you know, me have to be on the road 24/7. Yeah, I go on the road, you know, I go to my office. You know what I mean by office? I say I can book a client. You know, I have to go chop line and all, so I go on the road.
Look at the wood there. I just say, girl, we beat me for school. I was walking every Sunday morning. You walk go come to your stuff to go shop for your mother. Girl, look how you're tall and make people beat up you. Look how you're tall and your hand is long, your foot is long, and you make people beat up you.
Anyways, like I say my pastor, it's not going to say for him.
I am going to see if you come. Alright. I don't know who she's so tall and I don't know beat up. Girl, why are you dressing like that?
I am not at school, ma'am. I'm at home. How party I go?
Shop my mother send me.
Shop. You gonna buy something for me?
Yeah, sure.
I want half stick of butter and I can take it $20 and buy one sweetie.
Okay.
Alright.
Yo, Ali and Tyler.
Alright, yeah, come.
Hello, miss. Oh, you probably tell me on the pose and look for me so like a year double six. I want more big you want. Eh? You know get as much as school. How are this? Again thing. Oh, you said if you see one. Because you beat her at school, you want to come beat her so now.
Hold it back.
Come now. Again.
I just say flip her, lick her hot. You say she thump her in her belly, thump her back. Hey, God, go on up to your man.
You must buff on your hair.
Go on up to your mother.
If you see I want to be a buck next time. Don't worry, let me say, I must buff on your hair.
Alright, go on chat. Go on chat.
You must see one more. What's up, you know?
Jamaica. Well, I'm there, you know.
Good morning, sir.
What on the mic? Listen.
You know, so when me and your son do a study, I left something in the room, they asked if we can go fit, please.
You know, saying that through there, you left something there too?
Yes, me and him do a study with him, I left in.
Because it's why gone this morning and washing dirty clothes, you know. Go on, because I want to see some of you guys wash it. Yeah, that's okay. I'm a daughter in law.
Thank you, sir.
All right, we got that law.
Hey, come here. Come here. Oh, this me a waist. What you? Come here. Come here. Look here. We are doing this.
Miss, me tired of it.
Tired of
Because
what?
everywhere I go, people pick for me. I'm tired of it.
People pick for you?
Yes.
What you mean? Talk to me.
Me just come from shop and 3 girls gang me and beat me.
Three
For
girls?
no reason.
For no reason. Look here, me tell you this now. Come here. But me not understand what you do with this. What you do with this? You want to get locked up? What you do with this?
Miss Drill or no drill, me I take back revenge.
Me need to go home and think about it. Here, me I put a stop into it. You see this here? You not get it back. You not get it back. Me go put a stop into it. Go on. How the hell I'm gonna get? Everybody want to rape no yard.
Girl, You see, we make you beat up a girl, I hope when you go to school and she pick war with you, you can defend yourself again.
Come on, you manage that.
You need to open up your mouth and talk.
And any girl top out like nerd, you're a nerd. Anyways, you know, the money we can buy no weed or no rum and what I buy.
Good morning. You see you and Jada was best friends. How come on break that the band there? Eh? I'm here so I beat her up this morning. Wanna beat up a girl for? The girl doing nothing?
No. She lick her and we have to go defend her. And in the end then, you know, if we never did it,
No! Jada is this type of girl. She not pick war first. Me know her.
You don't know Jada. You don't know no name Jada.
You know when I put in a 7 that a while ago? And this Jada they are come to murder the chair Uno. Uno could have hear son dead this morning. I'm going to take it from her. Not true. Uno could have dead. Uno look like a real gun, you know?
Boss one.
Jesus. Come pick me here. Let's only this now. You see Uno? You see Uno? Are you? You not start skull class. Eh? From a start lick head with them.
Are you have a dorm?
So? I don't know nobody coming from.
You know, say Jamaica they come up now and early tomorrow morning, one may go, tell my daughter go Jamaica Day. Come for the next big daughter no want to say she have to go to work. But I know she have to teach too, but just take the one day off of work. Some just want to tell the teacher, just take a day off and carry. Somebody have a video. Somebody video it while me not did it.
I can't do that.
Alright.
Someone have to call them and tell them I'm sick or something.
Don't tell them I'm exclude. Don't tell them say sick. Just tell them say I have some errands to run. Because them can't really exist too much.
Yeah, that's true.
Because you're a top teacher. So anyway, that's one good vibration. So what you do to them?
No.
You not got this morning?
No.
Anyway, so we have some fish to sell somebody. Come in. Save 10 pounds of fish for somebody.
Kind of fish.
Doctor answered, but I have some fish here, so the fish you like. You like fish them. And we catch one octopus here.
Are you going to beat that?
Yeah, I'm going to beat it for you.
No, I'm spring. I'm not doing that. I've been out of school this morning.
Alright, so what did that? I'm going to just do fish and come back. We might eat some you cook today. And we just for the vibes. Here? And chill out. Alright. And people will then promise them fish and all, they're not that bad at you. So some come do. Alright? Morning, young one. Where your bag there?
I have exam today, so I'm going to need to carry my bag.
Oh, first, may I see you about your bag. I love how you keep your head up and do your school work, you know?
Yes.
You see me trash out today?
Fully out.
Yeah, man. I'm looking at Jamaica Day. You school at Jamaica Day too?
Yeah, from last week, Friday.
Oh, yeah, my daughter Jamaica Day today, so I go down there go support her and, you know, make she feel good, you know? Because she's young, she's 5. She love looking bounce about and then go galang in there, you know what I mean?
Oh.
So, that's that me I deal with. But you go do?
Yeah, man.
All the best from the exam. You study for it?
Yeah, man.
When me young like you, I don't study, you know. That's
Why?
how I feel the whole of them.
Why?
Back of the class. But don't follow me though because you know work out so
Back
good.
at class now work.
You know work out for me. But anyway, I don't really complain because I want me to do fishing, you know. And fishing you don't need to know A, B, C, D. You just dive and catch a fish and you sell a fish. And the fish expensive, you know what I mean? So don't worry about that.
You still need to know much if you can sell fish.
Listen me. I know money. I never go to school to know about money. When I tell you say $5 a pound and you take £5, me know say if you take £5, 5 times 5, you owe me $3,000. Me better me overcharge. Me know say me not go wrong. Long as you overcharge you have to say, oh no, sorry, I'm sorry give you. But if me overcharge you, that means say me not wrong. Anyway, So you don't drive here. Stop here and go and school. I'm a drive here. One driver come pick me up. How are you? Over there by the
No.
$200.
you take that squeeze and go.
Yeah, but don't give me strap mark.
Where the squeeze your hand though?
Yeah. You can do that.
Wait. I got you. If rub up you go squeeze your hand. You feel better now? Or not?
No.
You want to take off?
Ouch.
It's very tight on your hand. Now put it for your hand though.
Leave me take it off and put it back.
Alright, that's you. I'm not going to get one defense string put on it. Oh, say put on it. I say put on it. No say put on it?
Yeah.
You put on the wrong way, man. That's you double it up. You don't feel free now. Talk the truth. You feel better now, right?
Yeah.
Because you double it a while ago. That's why it stays so. You understand?
Yeah.
Alright, you go work.
Wow.
So you're good though? You ready?
Yeah.
You enjoy yourself today though? You want to do it again? Or not Jamaica Day again?
Jamaica Day already come up.
So you know when the next one will come then. You love Jamaica Day?
Again. Everybody still not play. We can go play too.
You want to go back again? Huh?
Yeah. It's fun.
Everybody will go home. You see them go home? The music turn on. Then done over there?
No, 5 o'clock, no other car.
You ready for go up now?
No.
You want to go over there one more time and then come on and really go home? One last time, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Tiana. What going? Madea. Yeah, the. You know, someone like come better. You know, someone come to what I do to do. You know, if I'm there, I'm like come better start. How are you now? Alright, let me raise a video. You know, say, me go on an operation other day. I book a scammer youth and you have a heap of money. Yeah, so I make me and him now deal, you see me? You know my brother look like that, you cannot deal with the man, so I don't know why you have for money. Suppose the man we got to know, suppose him broke. You're gonna let him go to our next man who pull a money then. This style, how you feel like say money come from when you come here for money? But then you know, you're a big police have to say and get all the money. Let me break it down to you. Police no make all the money. We don't make all the money. If I scam a youth, they have to grab money from. Yeah, your brother don't make all the money either. The bills them, they high. Yeah, so me have to work money after the scammer boy them. to pay me bills them. You understand?
Anyways, and I'm married couple, so I have to work out that. I only say till that those parts. So anyways, my book can't give me money.
Same thing. You want the money now. Where you feel like the money come from? From a scammer boy. You still want it?
Oh, you mean I still want it? My brother look here, man.
Yeah, make me look at my purse. You have 110 grand, yeah. You know how you go now, can you go cut off his scammer, man?
Anyways, thanks. But you don't have to cut him off. You can't keep him for the low. Nobody not to know. But anyways, me I go. Anyways, me I go.
I need to talk, you know. Alright, here we go now. I clear my mind, you know. You see me? Although what you do, you're wrong. You see me? You go cheat for me. I'm not like that. You see me? So, I forgive you, but I not forget what you do. You see me? So, you have to cut off that day you did.
Anything, yeah, me cut him off. Alright, bills, but you know say you can't bother get the markets though.
Don't worry about that. If I ever take the next 10 years in a government work, with what you make up and buy.
Alright, that's your bills. Sorry.
Alright then, me work with that.
Alright.
I will have a shop here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Who that?
Your father.
Come in, Daddy.
You know, when the young people still me have to knock the phone for a while. So I go on.
There, good.
You never know. It's quite disturbing. Serious. So you put can go catch on fish tonight. So, but me did Anna watching the news, right?
Mm-hmm.
And me I say, no, Ja, I really have one.
You don't even know.
Because the striking must take place, you know. But me hear say your school refuse to strike immediately.
They're not. We can't bother with them.
Hear me I say to you now. When I go swim amongst the shark and the dolphin.
Dolphin. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Me have to teach you, because I remember saying, me have to teach you, so I have to teach you.
So,
catch about dolphin.
And catch the little fish them and save money and send them to college. And I never make a take out a student loan, you know, I had nothing tied up with government to hold them back.
True.
So now reach a point in time now, you must stand up for your right.
No, not me, Daddy.
You see, if, so what, why the school no strike? Why?
If you know that because, look here, you see some of them, they might get a little money on the side from the government or the government wife. Me not really sure. And that's why they might get extra clear.
You see, I work very hard to grow you up and make sure you be independent. And I want you to be a warrior. Because if I wasn't a warrior, plenty time when I out there swimming with sharks, shark come amongst me and I punch him in the face, you know.
That don't make no sense what you just say. Every punch shark in their face.
Right on the nose bridge. In the bite me up, but that's what we call braveness. It was me or him.
Anyways,
Somebody just punch him on the boy!
Yeah, we're not talking about that now. We're
So
talking
listen
about
me, so this is life. So when it come to life, you strike the high and when it hot. You understand what I say?
I understand
So what
I
I say to you now, peaceful strike, it's your right to strike. So if you're at school and the person who in charge don't want to take it up in their responsibility, you step off the job because it's your right
But that me a job.
And then when you step off the job, you call me and tell me what you do. That means say, me can link two of my lawyer cousin them to defend you and me pay them cash. Because you're not going to lose. Because if you're right, you're right. And if you're wrong, you're wrong. You listen to me?
Me a listen, but you know what me talk and I talk.
Talk.
Me nobody want talk. You talk.
Because I know, you know, so this was going to take place, you know. When I said to you, girl, in an election, say you work and just start talking about the man, them have a buzz.
So when you say man,
Look
have a
on
buzz.
the man, them buzzing now and now, them buzzing you out to a good solid paycheck. And now, on the stress now, but you may say no. That's and that done and that gone. That's water under the river or water under the bridge.
Under the bridge.
So what may I say now? You need faith. Ensure say when the teacher them say strike, you know we plan them for say strike, and strike long time. Because if I see all of the school across Jamaica strike because and I'm a strike for good because the teacher them is doing a great job. And it's a difficult job with these kids nowadays because they're listening the gully bounce and the rifle walk and all them things the and man no heart and man bury their heart down in the ground. That means they don't love no their school and look up picnic at big stone, lick down, look a girl and girl a fighter. Yo, so me say I go on to school, me see one suicidal girl I pull one next girl down one gully and all of them pull on and he turn up back again, he still a fist and you know no part in my job. You couldn't jump now all get him out, he don't care, but as long as he get to chucky girl in the eye and listen me, one I go that with so you said
Well, you talk about I'm a teacher, I don't
no.
tell me them something there.
No, I'm not about you.
Every time when you come for talk, that they come with this long sentence.
I'm talking to you about what I see on the phone, technology, student-wise. So I was saying to you, you need to come check me some of the time now. Let me teach you what I know about martial arts because it go come in handy. Because two of them look a young girl go box in their face an idea when they go on like animal side. Listen now, come in the side, listen now.
One of them tried that already. I mean defend myself.
Listen.
Nobody over at that school can beat me, you know. Nobody can beat. I could be principal around the marketing. I could be the prime minister.
Listen. There are gangs in school now. I heard about it.
We have my gang.
You have two gangs in a school now.
have teach about me
Some
have
of the
gang
gang
too.
them have like 40 people. You cannot fight 40 people one time.
Me foot
You
them.
see by your focus on one, 5 fists in your face long time. So you allow that out. One thing I teach you for run too. If 10 of them are rush up, you're not ashamed for run. You run.
God.
You run home.
So daddy, you tell me say this I really come
Call me as the fireman.
About beat up on this.
Listen me. You call me as the original fireman. When I come down like the fire, everybody have to move up and down. Listen me now. What am I say to you now? Listen me. School need to be re-regulated. But for now, we don't need to get proper pay for the punishment when I go through because of the sufferation.
Yes, daddy. Well,
We know say the truth is boring to young people. And this is why it's
I'm not boring.
Stop night when I'm talking, you listen. Because I was here before you. And I can tell you what was here before you come. Before you come, people never stay like you stay. You see when my parents are chat to me and my grandmother and I'm in the conversation, so we can't yarn, fist in our face. Because that's we can't whistle. That's disrespectful to them. You can't let's go, boy, one back to your jawbone, and you get a dust pad cover. So this is how we grow. And it was good.
But the things are abused.
It was.
That's why that's why the foreigner have no sense because they give you too much head leak, daddy.
No, let me tell you one thing we didn't know. We as black people, we are stubborn. And it's in our DNA to be stubborn. And it's in our DNA. And when it's right, we rather feed up on the opposite side. So if I say black, you go say white. If I say white, you go say black. If I say blue, you go say red. Because you always want to in our entangle. We don't want to agree just because we don't want to agree at nothing at all. Because we could have do it better, but we will not do it better because we want to be against each other. You understand? Yeah. So you have brother and brother fighting brother for the treasure. But you must say different from that though. I don't come to waste all my time and not different comments. I want to stick to one thing.
Different friend.
Is it tomorrow if I come me just dive
We're going to pass strike tomorrow that Jesus Christ.
We're not going to strike tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Make sure. Cause if
after I left my yard tomorrow.
No, me done.
If they come, me not.
Hello. You think I don't know about phone look a bit? I watch you on the phone with your classroom picking them, you know, like bench and batty. Say then class and miss, come to school. Look at that thing say you're on the same side because you're young. You run go down to school tomorrow. And I see you on one of them WhatsApp there. I do selfie, so I'm going to say that school. And I say I see him there take. I come to strike to live, say if you're on strike.
Oh, if you're striking to maybe come on, daddy.
Listen,
maybe come on now.
You
I mean,
as long as
Daddy, me no parents shame for school compound and me a big woman. They so they don't know.
so all I do when me lick you fight me. You fight your pa.
If that if you have a daddy, they don't
But
have no shame.
Listen, me ready to fight a long time.
Every see them they look pick me a fight and them parents for school compound. Why me
Follow
fight
them.
you?
Follow them.
Me a fight your daddy.
Me say, yeah, follow them.
Yeah.
Me want you follow them. You see which God you serve.
If you see him God that you serve, you know.
Listen, you see, I one thing with you, you know. This is why me and your mama couldn't work out, you know.
Because she's stubborn.
Because she's stubborn and she run her mouth, enough like how you love yappa your mouth. You see your mouth twist up. You see your mouth twist up, you know, long time take care of her breast. You see, if you never even take care of her breast, your mouth will shape good.
So I can't talk about my mouth.
No, because you twist up your mouth.
That's saying I don't sense that they can get too much headache when you're small.
Listen,
you get too much headache when you're small. That's you do not have any. Daddy, please, me, I beg you. Me can't manage that type of argument right now, Daddy, please.
I have come to my yard because I have a fresh liquor. I am mother-in-law. You need to meet her. She hot like a fire.
She not hotter than me.
She not know no man. Back of the class. She not know subject. Okay. So that is good. Me like you. So when I talk, nice. She listen. Me not like we 1 and 2 educate. Because educate people mash up Jamaica.
So me, you know, we are trying to say me mash up Jamaica.
No,
me not mash. Me try to do the right thing.
I'm not saying what I'm saying to you.
Don't do it, man. I be a drop a word for you. I drop a word for me and the other teacher that they don't do that something. Me not like you, man.
Calm down with that, man. Calm down. I cannot say you mash up Jamaica because you're like it to the sprat. You do not make no changes in Jamaica. Your changes have to change till then. But I mean like, oh, the white collar in that, white collar. The big people that who make the decisions, who can tell you how much pay you must get, and those people may talk. Me not talk you. Because you not even know how much money you get and not know how to collect your own money. You want me to collect your money for you.
So what is wrong with that? I am father is supposed to support me.
No, so you feel tell
that
them.
You know what? Me not gonna make you collect money again.
I never collect the money for you, so don't get mixed up. I said you need me to collect the money for you. I go up to wherever the teachers board there. And when I go up there with the fire and say, burn it down, the whole of the money will come down. I will start talking to them and tell them how much struggle I go through Senegal school and then after school Senegal college. In that sick. So me really know say you deserve a good money and the work.
I am a good father because you take you not tell me about that you send me
back
college and tell me that not good. You are not a good father. You send me to college, you take you back and tell me, man. Then you say you're not nice, man. I don't like
you. Listen, only somebody who is ungrateful who don't like to hear the truth. Because the truth is the truth.
The truth, but
didn't I send it to school? No, didn't I send it to school?
I'm going to tell you about all of them money they come.
You know what you do? It's like when you have a young girl left have a foot here now. Young girl, I mean, I just touch up in my age.
Yeah, tell me that for your young girl. You don't want to hear about
like how me have them.
That's why mommy couldn't stay. That's why mommy couldn't stay with that too long. You can't put blame on her. And that's why she left that. You know, that's why I know that because you didn't full of too much young girl and have mommy on the side. That not gonna work. Not my good mother. My mother too good for the on sideline. Right. My mother can the on sideline. Could you mad?
It better she went up on the sideline. More than down there on the chain line.
Make she stay.
You know, my birthday come up the 24th of the month. 24th of March. You're not in a party. I'm not in a party. But see if you can buy your papa something good. If you not enough money, buy me even one, two of the, so now the boy them drink a party. A top shelf. Liquor. I make a braff. Yeah, man, I
got $700.
But you want strike tomorrow. Strike tomorrow because money, you know. And money, me say.
Alright, that's later. Good love.
I go cause man the farm build them over foreign there.
The farm build them.
You see, if they're not dealing good at Jamaica, I send a foreign go teach. I will pay your plane fee and buy your visa.
Yo, you see, so I'm not like deal with daddy more while.
Oi. You know, first thing uniform for school tomorrow. What you do?
Me not go to school tomorrow, Daddy.
What you do? Hey boy, you think you're a man? You think you're a man? What kind of not go to school? You think me a big young meal for nothing?
Daddy, the teacher didn't go on strike. We don't go to school.
Look for me, look like me a real idiot.
They might go on strike tomorrow and maybe Friday too.
What kind of strike you talk about? Teacher don't go on strike. Don't talk about teacher go on no strike.
You want to go ask them then?
Look at boy. You know, come. Come to your teacher. Hard you tell us say. A teacher don't go on strike, you know boy.
Daddy, you don't listen, you know.
I'm here to talk to me now, listen. Go on, son. No, I'm not the phone there, come here, hide it. Go on, son. You could not come turn down, it's like I'm here.
Yes, Miss Simit. I said the one Miss Pam in the canteen today run off her mode. But she don't want to go on strike. Just because she had a link with the Prime Minister wife. And she get article troops on the side. Is it true me love my money? Calm down, man. The way me love my money, you know. Me have to do what's right. Yes, so that me I try to tell a girl. Me know. You feel say me don't know that? Of course me know that. I'm not even I say the pick them have no manners and they love fight. Besides when I pick them one fight, if it's somebody help I make him fight, keep him down. Me not busy if me a teacher, me set example, me go get it. Yeah. What you mean? If it love fight, then I'm no manners. Yeah. Me want to come check me tonight, by the way. Me want you to check me tonight. Like how we have. Who that? Come in. Like how we have on strike tomorrow. Come check me tonight. Then you talk. Alright.
Good night.
Good night.
Explain when you wait till me.
Miss, me tell Daddy say, school now keep cause we now go on strike.
That's true. Very true.
Oh, come and say, yo.
Daddy, me tell you.
I come in the car. Me want to talk him right in front down in the car. And daddy become a dunce, you know.
Sir, please don't raise a right in my house. May I beg you, please.
So you invite me to your house if you want me to show you.
Because you don't even show the stuff.
So when I go past strike, for the people that want to learn.
I know about the people that want to learn, so we don't have money. People that fight we have for school, if you say we want money, we want money, see and we.
Me never put you to go teach. If you didn't want to make money, you come scare with me and dig yam.
Yeah.
You not teach. Listen. Teaching and not getting no money. I want to love you. How much months pass now?
Sir.
2-3 months. Continue, man. No money, no money.
Excuse you. You know, come to my house and come back me, you hear? Me may act like a decent somebody has to go back, but when I me hear a difference, because bad road after you, me no business.
Well, you can't go to carry your house. You see if you teacher this summer, you don't sell something at school in the meantime.
Hello. It's so true, me no want to keep me for their property. Me left that alone, you hear? Me not gonna be like Miss Wallabert or Willabert or whatever she want to name. I sell sweet and jello and one bag of something for school compound. Me not steal like car.
So you're alright then, you don't have money then. You go and talk to the teacher. Go and say, look, I'm going to kill you, you know. Me kill you. Me say,
you say pick the way how? You know no manners. The pick don't have no manners. The same.
What do you mean by that, manners?
He don't have no manners.
When do you?
He might bully the other little picnic them.
Oh, that is saying that no manners. Jesus, if you say unruly.
He unruly and he don't no manners. He might cuss at the teacher them. And I mean, he cuss me already, you know. I may take it. And he apologized, I may take that. And he go cuss off a maths teacher. A maths teacher will love him so much.
Well, me never get no education, so me never talk to him about that part there. But the cussing part with the teacher, I'm not too responsive right now. Because some of the teachers then come to school with their stress. For the pick them. You know, sometimes you know I'm going to look a man stress when they take you up and pick them.
Me tell you this now. When you talk straight. You hear no pipe me when you talk.
Me not pipe, ma'am.
Do not pipe me. You can't flip your finger, but you flip your finger and flip it for me so.
Because every time you talk, me have to do the body language. So if you're dumb, you understand what I'm saying.
Alright, let me do it now. And some of the parents them, I send their people come to school to stress out the teacher them. Now give them as much money, make it them and come to the teacher them for lunch. See, now when you flip your finger, I flip my finger to body language. Come in there. Come in there. Come on, I'm gonna read. Don't this one. Let me come in here. I can't tell when you're fine. Hey, if you lose my job, me and Lucy, we are going to strike tomorrow. And me a stand up for my right. And the one day, they go big fat so one day, the woman there, I chat about how I don't want to go strike. Just because he might get a little troops for the Prime Minister wife.
Oh, so
He might get a little half a troops, same way. That's why I don't want to go strike. I know some get a full body pay. That woman.
Some I hear somebody else say they might work for much month and get no pay, I don't know. Other day.
I feel them business that because of me. You know, I go so. Me I forget. I see all the school money, I would have thief, you see, I would have thief every school money and find if me not get me pay. Them no sense.
No, but here when I teach her, you know what I say? Then I walk, I'm in the classroom other day, man. And me I walk past and me see two of them sitting out. Like, I don't know what them.
Nobody there say can chat hello them.
No, I don't know if nobody else.
Nobody can come in my yard, me say.
Me hear them talk how, I don't know if the man principal and things, you know. But it's so nice, I mean, things, it look like the principal help take your money too, you know. And that it look like.
So that's a one.
And that a one. So me hear them say, me not go on no strike because me have my like a chum change already. Business about
Yeah, man, run out, you know. You tell you the truth. You have to go there because sleep I hold me.
I have go on strike tomorrow, remember? You
Yeah,
wake up
yes.
early.
Go wake up early. Me not go nowhere. Me not go to school. So me I wake up early for.
You have to wake up early to go up on the media, go see what go on.
Me not wake up early to go on the media. Make sure it's not my bed. Anything one of just call me phone. I hear. Go and watch media for me and tell me.
Me see you now, man.
Me see you too. Aye. Forward. They pick too much, you know. What going?
Good night, Miss. How are you doing?
I'm there. You call me Miss Fry. You know, so when time of day I had a different thing to you call me. Come by the right name.
You know, yes, we have a pan strike tomorrow.
Me hear about it.
We not going to school, you know?
Me know that. If we the past check, how we go to school? That makes sense.
Me say the government has stressed you out. We not getting no good paycheck. Me can't bother with it.
You can't
Look
bother.
how much lesson plan we have here, right? You know it stress me. How much night me go in, me have to mark how much book. When me give them classwork to do. And more while the time catch up and me have to carry my book them on my yard, me have to mark. Imagine all me have how much test paper for mark.
Look here.
Listen up, only part time me I'll sit down and mark the book them and I see my wife over on the bed and look for me like she wants something. Me I say, Lord God, I pay your work for me.
You're going to say you alone I go through the same thing. Me I go through it too. Me I go through it. Remember say me I want teacher too. You forgot that?
No, man.
You forgot say me I want teacher too? Everything where you talk about me I go through it too. Me I go through it too. You know, easy, hard.
We have it hard, man.
You can't take it no more. And the
We
money no
need
more.
to go out there tomorrow and demand so we want more money.
Yeah. Have to.
But we not go teach if we not go teach if we not get the money, if we not get the right one. I want to tell you some Miss Anderson, the teaching thing make me nearly lose my wife. Let me give you a story. I tell her say, for my wife and I normally go college, you know. You see me? And she borrow student loan and anything there. But she turn police woman or something I know. One day I come in from work and I go catch her in my house with scammer man. But what me think though, I feel like say, he go for an operation and he go to scammer man house and the money make him fall in love. Boy, end up me I get money out of it too. You see me? Teaching take away most of my life. God know. What me all have to do? Me all have to make rent the pitney them my bathroom over school. In a staff room and make them do their little thing. But
so you know them foolishness that too?
yeah man, but look at them. Once the two of them in the same age group, that alright. Cause them a do it elsewhere what we didn't even know. So once they in the same age group, that really are going. Boy, we need to get all heap of money because for me, woman need to pay a film student. So I feel like say that's one of the main thing to make him go there with this scammer nigga. You see, if he did have money, I feel like me and him would have good. Or if me did get more money from the teaching, I feel like me and her would have good.
Alright.
So what about you, Miss Sandy? So what happened to you? You don't have no boyfriend?
Me? Tell you the truth, I don't have a man. Me can't but a relationship. It's stressing, bad. And you have to find a real man nowadays. Hard. No matter how me try, it not work. Every man does the same thing. I can't manage man nowadays because them man don't loyal. I mean I look for one real man. I can't find none, so me put on a relationship, you know, yeah, man.
So me say listen, you eat a lot of salt things and your body have hormones. So what you do when your body call for the girl? You know, sex, what you do?
Look here, to tell you the truth, me don't want to talk about this right you know. Me don't want to talk about it. Because I thought me get upset about my last relationship. So, I don't want to hear nothing about sex and about man and about, you know, them something there. I will change the topic, something else.
Listen me, what you mean about cut the topic? I work if you work on the topic. I mean, you alone there, you know? Nobody else not there.
Me know that.
My wife I had a lock shop for me. So right now, I don't want to put my goods in our nether shop. What make you always reading like a sexy they come to school?
Because me young.
Me say last week Wednesday, me see you want a short skirt. Me I tell you say, you make me have to catch it on the right. When me go in a classroom, you pick me them a pint and you say, how was that? How was that? Make you reading sitting there, you just jam your attention. So.
Look here, I didn't know. Me young and me I try to look good. You understand? Me not all up myself because I know school. Me not do that. Me have to look good seeing what you talk about. So, look here. Watch it? Oh yeah, do. Watch it? Oh yeah, do. Oh no, stop. Oh, don't stop, don't stop. Oh.
How was going last night?
Yeah, we're gonna know what.
Hello.
Yes, babe, morning.
How are you day?
So you don't come here last night?
No, me I tell you, we dey on the road I do strike. From last night till now we a strike. Me I come in and now man, come get some breakfast and wash off man.
Oh, okay.
I come, me say we come over man, you know.
Okay.
We need money! We need money! Me I come over now, be yeah?
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Yeah man, love it too. Yo, me I tell you say, I took my cigar.
Me not say chicken. Me not eat that.
That we can. No, go. Yes, babe.
You feel like you can take me for idiot?
What do you mean that you feel that, babe?
After school, no keep a night.
No, man, I strike, we strike, babe. Me not take you for that. Me a fool.
I told me asleep, you know. School, no keep a night.
No, man, I strike, we strike with you. Me not tell a lie, man. Me and the teacher them there with you.
You take me for fool.
Hey, me a come, man. That's ready breakfast, here.
You take me for fool. I'm not a fool.
Stop saying that, man. Me a come over now. Me a come with you, man. Because me have to come back and strike, you know.
Alright.
Alright.
Come here, yard.
Yeah, man. Do that now.
Alright.
Wanna come back on strike? Hurry up. Don't take like that?
I don't know like you do here.
Alright. You love sleepy?
Oh man, you know, so let's sleep with yo. You give me some intelligence, I love him last night, I tell you. Me try to catch some fish, you know.
And today?
Yeah, but I'm tired out. Anyway.
Hello.
Hello,
Morning.
Marie. Well
But yeah, so like over the on strike. You can't make we go to the river.
What's river that?
You want out of room there, so? How long time when I go
right out of school.
Yeah.
You mean, girl, right now too.
Right now. Alright, I'll get ready here.
Alright, we are the same too.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
My credit must done now. Alright. Hey, that,
You know what I'm saying, madam?
She want me to go river.
Oh, she has strike today then?
Yeah, me a strike.
Oh, cause that was it. You know what I mean? Was she strike on link you?
No, she said she already right now, so probably
She
will
go
come over
call?
here.
Yeah, but you know, me I say to you. I like how you take her under your wing. You know what I mean? Because me had it for so long and nobody don't know. Right? And
Me
me
no
say,
need nobody to know.
yeah, I know. I say I go to college and ensure. So it's like how you go to college before I know. I love when you at school or you show her the ropes when she over it. Because she tell me, you know, see you show her you one of her favorite. She show her the things them when she
Me
teach
and
up on.
her, so you know.
Yeah man. Yeah man, that is it man.
So them is something that you want to go though. Somebody you know. Oh, thank God. Come here. Yo, Zevi. What go on?
What go on?
No, so I can't go to school today.
My teacher them then go on strike, so no school and keep today for me.
Say same thing we just try to make one TikTok video about. And we post it on YouTube also. But you can phone that. But the freaking something not even a video good brother. You can't video it for me? Please.
Yeah man, we can help you.
Alright, do it for me. Want a video it for me?
Ready?
Yeah. Good morning. You can't video it for me? Please.
Yeah man, we can help you.
Alright, do it for me. Want a raise of pay. They not do nothing. They don't need no raise of pay. All thing they want I little money for go party and buy extra wig. That's not necessary. Because they not focus on schoolwork and what they supposed to even do. Alright, so that look.
Let's get on.
They look too bad. I'll post him. Thanks, I hear.
Well, good on you, brother.
Yeah, man.
Morning, babes.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Sorry for never coming in last night, man. Me I tell you say, I strike with the pan when you teach them, cause we have to work for your money, you know. Because I know what you do the last time, you do it again.
No see a lie tell me now.
This camera them a give me a fight, man, so me have to try beat them better now.
Me no
Cause
see a
more
lie
money we
tell
say.
me. Come, you are going to bathroom.
Yes, Mr. Clark. Yeah, man, I hold me a while after she come back, man. Alright. Yes, I know.
Come go in the bathroom.
Oh, you don't want early morning fix up?
No.
So you want me go in there go for?
Come go check your clothes. Don't go in the shower door. No, please take you. Come.
Oh, my clothes on me. Yeah, someone about.
Boss, get over, please take you.
Calm down, man. Yeah, give yourself
So like I shot a door there, no? That's how she go on, you know?
Yeah, go make she see you.
No, she not see me.
Yeah, come. Hold on, girl. Girl, me fix the sit down for me then.
She afraid that Anand send him something. Can you find some Anand in her clothes them so you soon facilitate it out. So I just wash them clothes and I'll give it. Or Anand send for you.
You know, see some laundry me there go do. Find some Anand in her clothes them, girl. It's so... I'm so frustrated. I say, oh, I'm going to river. Come on, come here, come over here, Peter. I'm going to the bathroom with you. So, the man move, so. Yeah, now move, man. Come on, let's come. Then I move, man. Come on.
She don't let me play now, because that place box remember them. Oh, if you let me play that to them, I have a key to the box.
Come on. Go on, me come, go on. Girl, come on, man. Camera there, man. Girl, me come, me have to set me clothes for. From the time I call you over here, you should have get ready long time. You should have get ready long time. Mama say, oh yeah. Me come, man, me come. Pull up the door and if you not pull up the door and if you. That's even like you do, girl. Yeah. Me think about people like a them, man. No. Yeah, that's not working.
Girl, if you ever know, we care pot and sing thing and come down here. No, man. Cook and sing. I can look a fish in the water.
Yeah, then you call it time to come swim so. You tell her
Just
come down and chat, we can swim. Could I?
We can come back down next time.
Hey, me I come back. I never know you're so very pretty. I told them fish they should have not catch on a fry right here. So come, take fish.
I want to reserve, come on yourself to chill. You know, look on the water. All the meditation.
I think it's deeper than so though.
We'll be going to the water later, I'm not sure.
You know?
On half a 10 level.
But I know some of the time when young people do things and say things where just to get virality. But it's a serious matter. But teacher lesson one, never you stop nobody from making money because we all need money. Allow me to tell? So you cannot say the teacher don't deserve, then raise a pay because they're not doing nothing. They're not doing nothing because they're not getting enough pay. So they're lazy and say so because they're not really proud of them work because of the payment. Some of the teachers them do that, but some love them work and do what to do, right? Because back in the days when I was doing school, the teacher work more than how they work now, and it's easier because back in the day they used to write on the board enough with chalk and they sitting there and dust and away there. Them done it that and nothing them do. What is that? There is chalk at school same way?
No, marker.
Marker, so it's a different era, different time, but still respect on the teacher. And what you say, you need to make an apology. I know so no bad and no big and no brave, but you don't want to give the government strength. He said they don't need to pay nobody. Because when you get big and get one work, they not going to pay you. Because you say they don't have to pay money. Because them love when you say don't pay. No. Because when they don't pay the teacher, them take the money put it in them pocket. So if any struggle you face in a life in a Jamaica now, it will come from the decision of the leaders them. So the leaders them must make right decision and make the people them happy. Like the teacher is supposed to be happy when they come to school. Yeah. Because what the teacher is facing at school. Alright, how much fight you have per day at your school?
9.
Yeah, so you and then go at school to learn to part fight or them, so then go for teach. You understand? So for the work and what it come with, if you was a teacher, you would want more money too.
Yeah, but you still miss my point.
What
every
point?
teacher do it. Teacher not even write on board again, you know. They just read and you have to write.
Oh, so you think they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing then? So you must love if you don't get them paid. And when they get the extra pay now, you tell them, say, if you not get extra pay now, you don't need to do the extra work now to match up, make you do some lessons. So when them do what they need to do, the student can strike too. Wrong or right? You can strike and demand better teaching. Wrong or right? The whole of the student body, you link the what you call it, the prefect and whole of meeting, then on a strike. When you come to class, you turn back to the teacher and say, we strike and demands better teaching, and then you come out on the outside and make the news team come down, and then on a voice an opinion, and then you will get better teaching, then have to write on the board instead of have to read it. Okay, you will feel a little better when you write it off, right? More than when you read it.
Yeah.
So you should try bring it up and a student can come together the same way. You know what I mean? So anything else them use, if you get for them extra money, use it to get on extra lesson. So no go strike too. If you striking work, that means that you can strike and get one want out of it. Wrong or right?
Right.
Because if there's no student at the school, then the teacher don't have a job. Wrong or right?
Sure.
So if you say you not go to school today, if your mother go kill you, and all of them say, yo, we not go to school today, them have to stop work. Because there's no student there to go to school. Right? And when them strike, there's no teacher there. So you understand? So you see vice versa. So you have a power, you have a right, them have a right. So no fight them for them right. You understand? Because you have a right to. But you see true, you never bring up it before this situation here. When the situation resolve, then you bring up your point. Look into me and say, because my daughter no fish me have to catch and send her go to college. So me want she get to look extra money because she go need it. She can't live in a rent house rest of her life. You understand? A rent house she's stressed. None of them come to school, me just teach them go to stress too and them come with certain things. So bear with them, they're suffering too, right? And they're trying their best to cope. Because them study. If I tell you what my daughter go through when they study, if you got a normal 50-ton teacher, headache and them sitting up on top of sleepless night to study. So it take what it take and go the way though. I not keep my time though. I try to go down a fishing beach, go try to see if I can go check the boat if the boat alright. But I just see you on the viral, but I say do a next viral thing, man. And then you familiar with your student them and don't know voice and opinion. We stand behind the truth and the right. Alright? So if them are do wrong, burn fire upon them same way, alright? And the burn fire upon the money though, make the people get the money. Because we need the money. Them need the money. Teacher need the money and the money make things work. Wrong or right?
Sure.
Alright, so have a blessed evening though. Thank you for listening, alright?
Alright.
Alright.
Oi. Wait now. Outside. So you want hot in the house? I'll be around there. Realize. So what? I come over here to talk to you about something, you know. Wow. Remember saying, you know, the teacher don't strike, right? Yeah. And we are strike too. Because me want my money. You want my money too? Okay. So I wonder if we can make up one, you know, one verse or one song or something. One song? Yes. Not long, you know, but something where they have to give you money for because we not tap until we get the money. And no people now get no teaching until we get the money. You understand? Oh. So we probably go sing a song on the road. Just write up to a sign and turn up so and sing a song and eventually it'll go out and the government have to hear it. So we could have sing more, no. We could have sing more something more. We could have said, oh, we say no, if you don't teach them, they're fully done. Something like that. Yeah, that's all. Don't teach them. If we don't teach them, they're fully done. That's all. I want next part now. Put up next part. We deserve it. Good. We deserve it. That good. Yeah. Come on, say it now. If we don't teach them, they're fully done. We deserve. No, but here I know. You could have seen one part and missing one part. But you don't, you have to repeat it over and over, you know. Much time, so. Like 1, 3 or 4 times that they can't get in their head, that they can't hear. And you have to sing with the voice loud. If we don't teach them, they're fully done. Yeah, girl. If we don't teach them, they're fully done. And we just come in. We deserve it. Yeah. That we are going to do. We deserve it. We deserve it. Woo. Remember now, we have got to tell Mr. Jones them, you know. Yeah. Yeah, Miss Shannon and all of them.
Yeah, cause me not talking big fat so one cause she don't want stress. She can look like she
When she talk about, but she still,
alright.
she still.
But the rest of teacher there we can tell them and we can show them we do.
We're gonna link up some of them, you know, before we copy bake and sleep more and sleep.
Yeah, me go over a bit, you know, cause me didn't even if I'm coming off a road, me not bed all now.
But
So.
see it. Look at that look dirty.
Go on the surgery, I saw you going in.
But that guy, that look dirty for you too, what?
Thank you. Me I go over. Well, if you know you look so no man no really.
I sleep more. Hello. Mind your business. First I see people in a shots. I'm gonna go out here and do shots. Text them people, you know.
If
we don't teach them their fully dance. If we don't teach them their fully dance. If we don't teach them their fully dance. If we don't teach them their fully dance. We deserve it. We deserve it. We deserve it. We deserve it. We deserve it.
Breaking news. As you all know, that there has been a massive strike with the teachers across the island. The Prime Minister has been thinking on this situation
How did this affect me, man?
hard enough. Now he's granting the teachers what they wanted.
I like
As this teacher, I would be celebrating tonight.
Alia! Come in here, come, look here, come here. Me know I'm watching news. Me can't believe. We win! Jesus Christ! Happy.
I with you, man.
Me
That's
know.
all.
I came around not even happy same things, yeah? We have to celebrate for this year. Tonight, we have to celebrate for this year.
So we're not talk to
We're
get
not top. I have to celebrate tonight. Me say, I'm gonna link me over my yard.
I'm gonna link you.
Link me later, because we have to
Nice.
celebrate. We have to floss tonight. Who that? Oh. Come in.
Oh God.
There.
You know see what going on the news?
Of course, me see it.
You know see government a say everything come through.
Me see that me a celebrate with my friends for too long.
Lord God. If the first paycheck come and get, may I go out. I go
mean,
far out.
far out.
Ochi I go. You know if I look at Ochi, when I sell fish and them thing there.
Yeah,
We go up there book hotel, enjoy yourself.
So, what I do otherwise?
Well, I'm gonna come celebrate today and a bit. I don't know if that's alright.
Well, no.
Of course. We have to see my power celebrate for money because we work hard and so we deserve it because them kids they at school stress you out hard. So do something now.
Come down now. Come on.
Yes, we have reached to the end of it, and hope that after this movie, the teacher them really get what them really deserve. Because I think that in the country that we're living in, if they have compassion for the people, them a lot of things can be 100% time better easily. I can see it and I know it, because if you can pay $10, that means you can pay 20. I just how you approach it. You know what I mean? So even with healthcare, we need to start pay back the registration. If I have a $200 for just to register in there, like the public hospital, so that money can put down one side. I have $100 for register. Just to put down for health, make sure the country better. Because even the money can go into some funding for when people really sick I really don't have no money because the system is working towards people being poverty and poorer than normal. So they need to have something for the people them who where you're fixed you not have nothing. When they not nothing and them sick, there must be a way they can get some help or they go dead. This is a serious time in my country and it's your country too. So let us start the conversation. How can we make Jamaica better? I'm doing my part from a movie perspective because the resources is not so wonderful because you know Jamaica don't really have a movie industry. You know what I mean? I'm trying to build it from nothing. You know what I mean? I'm not up in the corporate place where I have money and I have lots of sponsors. I'm doing this off a known budget and my resources them is limited. Because this movie I could do more justice with it if I have the resources that was needed in terms of if I have a studio, I could have created a classroom, I could have created more stuff, but we don't have that. So I work with what I have and I hope you can understand the story and hope it entertaining and hope you learn something at the end of it. You know what I mean? Because this is it. We're living one life, you know what I mean? And we'll do the best we can do. You know what I mean? So from JAMMIWOOD to the world, Richard Brown Films, the whole network, you know what I mean? Here we go. Let's go. One King Films. Big up yourself. Big up all of my sponsor them, all of my producer them from that time to this time. From Tatsan Franco, Damien, and Empress G, you know what I mean? And all of my sponsor them from Jules to Antoinette to all of them. There's a long list. Stacy from Canada. You have so much people. You have overall settings. You have Cool Breeze family. Yeah, bless upon yourself, same speed. There's a long list of people that I've worked with and I really appreciate the journey. You know what I mean? But it's not even the start of it yet. It still feel like it's just the beginning and I'm just start writing, you know what I mean? So let's go on this adventure. Let's go. Thank you for big up to all of my sponsors, all of my subscriber them. Cause I want to make it work, you know what I mean? So please share the content with some family and some new people. Get some new subscriber for me for this channel. I need this channel to go up, you know what I mean? Because I'm trying to do it from here, you know what I mean? I have a lot of people depending on me to make it to where it's supposed to be. I have a vision and the vision is JAMMIWOOD City, you know what I mean? So on the end of this video, continue watching. I'm going to show you my Airbnb room. So if you're interested and you want to come down and see what we do, you can book the room and book the date. If you don't book the date, maybe the time when you call to come in, it won't be available. So the number will be on the screen. So you got to book your date so you can write it down so I know that you'll be coming in. You know what I mean? So no matter where you come from in an island or where you come from in the world, just make a link, man. One family, one movements. And there's a lot of things that we need to... Yeah, man. Welcome. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. So as you can see, this is the room. The Airbnb. You can see you have a big bed, queen size. Come in and show them that's what we know. We have TV and DVD player. So you have internet on the same way, Wi-Fi and then there, so you can connect to our one. But apart from that, we have shows on this. You can watch same way. If you know watch whether on cable or whatever this that. Yeah, that is it. So it's big enough room, cool. You have a fan in here. Not AC though. Just fan. You have a baggage, you put your bag in here, so closet. You put your clothes and everything up. This is the kitchen now. Come in the kitchen. You have a little fridge. You need more than this, you know what I mean? You put your cool drinks, them and something keep your cool, you go and buy something to freeze, ice cream and everything there, and there's the same way. You can put the things them. You have a microwave. If you want microwave something, you want popcorn and everything there. You have that just in case. You have your sink here, so then you have your stove, you know what I mean? You have the pots and pan down here, so if you want to cook something, you know what I mean? So we're ready and waiting when you're ready. So just link us when you're ready. You have the kitchen, you have the bathroom on there, so you know what I mean? So as you go along, let's go. One love. Thank you for stopping in. Let's go. We have a river down there so you can go and chill out if you want to get a cool vibe, dip in the water and things. So come in our place, man. Come see what I want. One love. Burn it up.